Good day viewers and welcome back to our channel. Protein provides the body's building components. The body uses the substance to build, maintain, and repair organs, muscles, and skin. It is required for normal functioning in both children and adults. Protein is naturally available in many meals, and it's an essential component of your road to a better version of yourself. Protein-rich meals provide various health benefits, including weight loss, feeling fuller for longer, and muscular growth. Are you curious about which delicious meals are high in protein? Keep watching till the end to discover delicious protein-rich foods. 1. Eggs. We are starting things off with a breakfast rockstar. Eggs are a mainstay in kitchens all over the world and are regarded as one of the world's healthiest foods. The whites contain all of the protein, and the yolks include a wide range of nutrients. In fact, it includes nearly every vitamin the body needs. The basic egg packs quite a punch, being quick to prepare, adaptable, and essentially available everywhere. What is your favorite morning meal? Let us know in the comments section. 2. Salmon. Nutrient density is high in fish and shellfish. This fatty fish aids in the prevention of certain illnesses as well as improving brain function and general immunity. Just 100 grams of salmon will provide you with roughly 25 grams of natural, high-quality protein in your daily meals. This protein helps to maintain bone and muscle mass while also slowing the aging process. 3. Tuna. If you're searching for a pure protein source, tuna is an excellent option. While all fish offer tremendous nutritional advantages, tuna is the obvious victor when it comes to protein. A single tin of tuna has 42 grams of protein. The maximum quantity you can reasonably obtain from a fish-based meal. Aside from protein, did you know that eating tuna as much as possible will help you avoid ailments like anemia, dementia, and muscle loss? 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt's health benefits aren't a fad. When compared to conventional yogurt, it has a thicker consistency and includes more protein. The tasty Greek yogurt is low in calories and high in heart-healthy bacteria that also help with digestion. A nutritious snack is a cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt topped with your favorite fruit and granola. 5. Avocado. This green, pear-shaped fruit has lately gained notoriety as a superfood. Everyone experimented with the health advantages of avocado by making their own avocado toast. Avocado's appeal stems from the fact that just 50 grams contain up to 1 gram of protein. It includes more potassium than a banana and is high in healthy fats, antioxidants, and, of course, protein. Avocado is a nutritious and tasty protein-rich food that can help with anything from heart health to cancer prevention. 6. Chicken breast. Chicken is essential to a well-balanced diet. Chicken breasts are a high-protein, low-fat option. Choose a well-seasoned, grilled, boneless chicken breast with a side of vegetables to maintain your metabolism. It's never been easier to strengthen bones and muscles. Eating just 3 ounces of it on a daily basis can maintain your muscles looking as toned as ever, thanks to its low salt content and plenty of natural vitamins. 7. Oats. Are you aware that oats have a higher protein content than most other grains? Let's face it, oatmeal isn't easy to love. However, when properly prepared with bananas and milk and topped with fresh berries and peanut butter, it isn't quite as terrible. Oats should already be a morning staple due to their high protein, mineral, and fiber content. Aside from that, oats may be a nutritious, tasty, and satisfying option for gluten-free persons. 8. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have long been known for their health benefits. Its popularity has only grown since then. These seeds are high in antioxidants and important nutrients and go great with Greek yogurt, salad, or porridge. Chia seeds include a massive 4 grams of protein in only 2 teaspoons. They also help you lose weight by improving your fullness and preventing you from nibbling on harmful foods. 9. Black beans. Black beans have a high protein content and help the body absorb calories more effectively. These beans may be cooked in a variety of ways and help to prevent the development of a number of chronic conditions. When you're stuck for lunch ideas, a protein-packed shrimp and black bean salad or black bean taquitos might come to the rescue. 10. Broccoli. Remember how much you despised broccoli as a kid? Not any longer. This green vegetable is high in protein, iron, potassium, folate, as well as a variety of vitamins and minerals. Because it is so high in nutrients, this vegetable is the key to excellent health. Blend them into your favorite green juice concoction. To build your bones, safeguard your cardiovascular health, and enhance your immunity, toss them into any salad or curry. 11. Meat. Beef has been consumed by humans since prehistoric times. It has the title of King of Protein. Regularly eating promotes muscle building and growth while also reducing fatigue. Did you know that beef includes 8 of the 10 necessary amino acids? This implies it also includes key nutrients that help with cognitive function and general health. 12. Cauliflower. Cauliflower isn't everyone's favorite vegetable, but it has good reason. It's sometimes regarded as broccoli's paler cousin and is high in antioxidants. It detoxifies, is high in fiber, and contains a variety of other minerals and vitamins. It's a terrific addition if you're trying to lose weight because it's low in calories and high in protein. 13. Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage, often known as bok choy, is a lettuce-like leafy green vegetable. Adding a cup, diced, to your meals can provide antioxidants, vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene to your body. Because it is closely related to vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cauliflower, it has few calories, and the majority of them are in the form of protein. Regularly eating bok choy salad boosts immune, eye health, skin, and hair health. Give it a go. 14. Peas. Peas are sweet legumes by nature. The high quantities of antioxidants and protein in a small amount are associated with the health benefits of these veggies, which are a popular element of a normal American supper. Peas contain a higher quantity of protein than any other vegetable. 1 serving of peas per day helps gastrointestinal and heart health while also aiding weight loss. 15. Chickpeas. Who doesn't enjoy a good, hearty hummus? Maybe you should go to the nearest falafel stand. Chickpeas are not only tasty, but they are also high in protein. They're mostly found in Mediterranean, mindful diets, and they're great for weight loss, diabetic control, boosting brain function, and so much more. The abundance of bone, muscle, and skin-friendly ingredients in just a basic bowl of chickpea salad makes them a nutritious powerhouse. 16. Quinoa. Quinoa is the epitome of the term superfood. It's a seed, not a full grain, contrary to common perception. This superfood hits all the boxes when it comes to providing protein and fiber. Quinoa, unlike other plant proteins, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Toss up some quinoa with black beans or make a heartier pilaf. The options are unlimited. 17. Almond. Did you know that only 10 almonds may deliver up to 2.5 grams of protein? Protein, good fats, and fiber are all abundant in them. Just a handful of them each day can help with hunger management, detoxification, and blood sugar regulation. Although almonds lack all of the necessary amino acids needed to develop muscle, they can be supplemented with other plant-based proteins. 18. Lentils. Lentils are one of the world's oldest and most nutrient-dense foods. However, not all of them are nutritionally equivalent. When compared to other varieties of lentils, black lentils, a cousin of the legume family, have the highest protein content. They also include vital elements including folate, fiber, potassium, and iron. Did you know that 1 cup of cooked lentils with whole grains has the same amount of protein as 1 pound of meat? 19. Tempeh. Tempeh, vegetarian or not, needs a mention. It's made from fermented soybeans and is high in important minerals and vitamins. From protein to prebiotics, it is a nutritional powerhouse that aids in cholesterol reduction, blood glucose regulation, and inflammation reduction. It is much higher in protein and fiber when made with nuts, seeds, legumes, or whole grains. Taco with tempeh? Salad with tempeh and edamame? It's entirely up to you. 20. Turkey. Without a hearty turkey meal, the holidays aren't the same. They're not only for the holidays. Incorporating them into your normal routine is just as beneficial. A single turkey sandwich has enough protein to keep you satisfied until your next meal, helping you lose weight. It contains a strong protein that helps to repair and preserve bones, cartilage, skin, blood, and tissues. Protein is clearly one of those crucial nutrients that you cannot overlook. Plant or meat-based protein is needed for a healthy, well-balanced lifestyle. This is how protein will affect your body. Which protein is your favorite? What do you usually serve it with? Please tell us about it in the comments area below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. Before you go, we have handpicked 2 videos for you that will help you achieve your goals. Click to watch them now. See you in our next video.